of generative AI. This is a true force multiplier for creative expression. In the future, you could select an area in Photoshop and generate new layers from a text prompt. From here, you can select multiple variations until you find the perfect one. Neural layers allow you to move these new objects around and regenerate based on the context of the image. Generative AI can also make existing features like content-aware fill even more magical. You can also use the power of image recognition and AI to make variations from a layer or source image, no prompt required. Finally, you can extrapolate amazing new worlds outside your Photoshop canvas without painting. And because you're in Photoshop, you can take your images the last mile with all of your favorite tools. You can use generative AI to help you edit your photographs in completely new ways. Using AI, you can change your photo from day to night and back again. If you are looking to add the perfect sky, we can give you multiple variations and easily let you replace it. You can even change shadows and other details that would have taken hours to do before. Combining this new technology with the amazing capabilities already in Lightroom, like presets, is a game changer for photographic editing. And with new capabilities in the crop tool, you might be able to extend your scene to guarantee you capture that perfect image.